Good morning, everyone. My name is Francis Ivydogwe, and today we will be talking about epithalamus. So, what is epithalamus, where it is located, and what are the components, and what are the function of its components? So, first, let's talk about its location. First and foremost, when we were young, our brain is divided into three parts, which is forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So, as we further grow, our forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain is further divided. But today we'll talk about the epithalamus. So, let's talk about the forebrain, which is further divided into telencephalon and diencephalon. Then, as we grow, diencephalon is further divided into thalamus, hypothalamus, subthalamus, and epithalamus. Then, epithalamus has two major components, which is habenula nuclei and pineal gland. So first, let's talk about habenula nuclei. There. Habenula nuclei is Latin for little rain, or it acts as the regulator key nervous system neurotransmitter connecting the forebrain and the midbrain. So, it connects the forebrain and the midbrain, and it acts as the key regulator for the neurotransmitter for dopamine release. So, it is also involved in all function or emotional responses to others. So, for example, the best example is that when we smell the cologne of our loved ones, what are our reactions? So our emotional reactions to those odors are the habenula nuclei are the ones responsible for it. So next, let's talk about the pineal gland. So the pineal gland is the primary endocrine organ that secretes hormones such as melatonin. And melatonin is the one controlling the cardiac rhythm, or it regulates the sleep and wake cycle. So it reacts with the light and dark cycle. So when it's light, the secretion of melatonin is low and stops actually. And then when it's dark, the production of melatonin is a lot. That's why we feel sleepy when it's dark, because there is a lot of melatonin produced by the pineal gland. There. And as for our summary, the main function of epithalamus, the overall function, is that it connects the limbic system to other parts of the brain, and it secretion of melatonin by pineal gland, and the regulation motor pathways and emotion. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and God bless.